Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be about the questions you might be asked in your study visa interview. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Before I mention the questions, there are three things you should be very careful about. The first thing is you should dress up properly when going to the interview. Dress up properly doesn't mean that you show up in a three-piece suit, but it means that you should go in a presentable way. Dress up neatly and appropriate. The second thing is to be on time. I cannot stress how important this is because one thing that Germans really hate is when somebody is not punctual. So that means if you have an appointment at 2 o'clock, the Germans actually expect you to be there at 10 to 2. So that means if you have an appointment at a certain time, be there before time, ahead of time, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes before even your appointment starts. So be there on time and remember, if you are even 1 minute late, that means you are late. So no matter how late you are, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's late is late. So do not make this mistake. And the third important thing is give short answers, give straightforward answers, and don't make things complicated for you. So it is really important that whatever questions are being asked, just give short and simple answers, make your life easy and don't complicate it for you. After you have applied for study visa, you will be asked to come for an interview at your local German embassy or German consulate. Some of you asked me to make a video on this topic after my last video, so I thought I shall talk about this topic today. So the very first question usually you are being asked is, why Germany? Out of all the countries in the world, why did you choose Germany for your higher studies? So make sure you have a valid answer or maybe a solid answer reason. Why do you want to go to Germany for your higher studies? For example, if you just chose Germany because the studies are cheap over here, I would rather not mention this point because it does not sound very professional. So look into maybe do some research and look for some valid reasons why you want to go to Germany, specifically Germany, for your higher studies. The second question mostly is asked, why that particular city in Germany? So do your research and know a little bit about the city where your uni is located. Let's say you have chosen Berlin for your studies. So have a basic knowledge of the city, like maybe do some research, what is that particular city, or maybe what is Berlin famous for. It just shows that you're really interested in studying in that particular city and you just didn't choose out of blue where you are going to study. Third question usually you are being asked is, why this particular uni and why this study course? Why not any other university or any other course? They definitely ask you a lot about your course. So it is important that you are prepared for that. Maybe how many modules you have, what subjects you are interested in, and yes, and what is so famous about this university and things like that. So do some research about the university, about the study course you are planning to go for. So maybe when they ask you, it is important that you have a general knowledge of the university as well as the course you are planning to study. And yes, one of the question is also, do you speak German? You have to be very honest about this, because if you say yes, you can speak German, they will like you to speak some sentences or maybe words. So it does not make any sense if you lie. So you have but if you have already learned how to speak German, bring your certificates with you and try to speak a little and impress them. And if you don't know how to speak a word, be honest and do mention that you will try your best to integrate in the German society and are willing to learn the language, because Germans really love their language. If you have planned to go to Germany and are not interested in their language, believe me, they will be offended by it. So Germans really want you to integrate in their culture and in their society when you are moving to Germany. So even if you choose your course just because it's in English and not in German, I would still not mention that to them because, as mentioned before, Germans really love their language, and it just means if you mention going to you're going for an English course, a course which is given in English and not in German, just because you're scared of the German language, they will feel offended. They feel offended very easily. So make say something like you don't speak German yet, but are willing to do so in the near future. Another question which always comes up when the interview is who is sponsoring your visit in Germany. So basically, they want to know how you will be able to financially support yourself while studying. So be honest about that. It can be a family member, or you can have taken a loan, or even if there are any other savings that you did in the past, just be honest about that. And then if a person is sponsoring you, it is very important that they want to know your relationship with the sponsor. They even want to know basic information about the sponsor, like his age, or about that person, about family, his children. And even at times they go ahead and call the sponsor and compare your answers with his answers. So it is very important that the sponsor knows about your course as well, and you have a basic good knowledge about the person who is sponsoring your visit. So the sponsor can be asked about your study program, for example, the duration of your course, and if he does not know, it might be a bad signal, because if the person doesn't even know for how long he or she is asked to support you, it is not a good sponsor then. So be very honest about it, and inform your sponsor a little bit about the course before the interview, and get some knowledge about the sponsor as well before your interview. Another question that they might ask you is how important or how beneficial is the course to you or your country, or even to Germany, or even the world that you are planning to study. It is one of those questions which is not always asked, but do some research. They might ask you. So it is one of those questions they do tend to ask, but not from every person who is planning to study. So do some research and have some valid points. Maybe what benefits would this study program bring for you, your country, or even to Germany? And then there are some trap questions in the interview. For example, do you plan to work in Germany? So I cannot stress enough that your answer should always be a no. No, I do not plan to work in Germany, because they tell them straight away that your main purpose, your main goal is to travel to Germany and study and not work. Also, questions like, do you have family in Germany? Even if you have people over there, just answer no. Straight away, your answer should be no, because you're not coming to see your family or having a family get together over here, but the aim is to study. So, questions like these are usually trap questions. So, if you are being asked, do you plan to work in Germany, or do you have family in Germany, or any other thing except then study, so just clearly say no. And the last question can be anything related to Germany. Like, so basically, your journal knowledge about Germany, the country Germany. Maybe questions like who is the chancellor of Germany, or maybe something about German history. If you have applied to study in Berlin University, the question on Berlin Wall might pop up. So just be prepared ahead of time, do some research, look in internet, have a basic journal knowledge about the country you are planning to study, which is Germany, of course. So yes, so this is actually the question which is always being asked. So your journal knowledge about Germany. That was it for today. I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for staying with me. If there are any questions left out, do drop me a message in the comment section below. And if there are any things you want me to talk about in my coming videos, drop me a suggestion comment down below. I will be getting back to you as soon as possible. Remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.